Minister Designate from the great River State. His Excellency Barrister Chief Nyesom Ezenwo Wike, aside receiving the loudest applause so far today, was born on the 13th day of December 1967 and is a life bencher on the body of benchers, serving most recently as the two-term executive governor of River State from 2015 to 2023. He was educated at the River State University of Science and Technology and the University of Port Harcourt, where he obtained his Bachelor of Laws degree and Bachelor of Science, Political and Administrative Studies, respectively. He would go on to be elected as the Executive Chairman of Obiakpo Local Government Area of River State from 1999 to 2007, where he would eventually be elected as the Chairman of Oregon. He would go on to serve as the Chief of Staff in the River State Government House, Port Harcourt, between 2007 and 2011. He would then serve the nation as Minister of State for Education and eventually Acting Minister of Education during the administration of former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. His Excellency Governor Nyesom Wike has received numerous awards and recognitions for his outstanding achievements as the Executive Governor of River State. He is a recipient of the National Award of the Commander of the Order of the Niger, CON, and he will serve as the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. I now respectfully invite the 5 named ministers designate to step forward to take their oaths of office, following which they will share a photograph with His Excellency, Mr. President.
Do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. I, Simon Baklalong, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as a minister I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and always in the interest of sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will exercise the authority vested in me as a minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so as not to impede or prejudice the authority lawfully vested in the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and so as not to endanger the continuance of the Federal Government of Nigeria. That I will not allow my personal interests to influence my official conduct or my official decisions. That I will do to the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people according to law, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
All right.